Now to the latest on Cyclone Hudhud, which is in fact just 100 kilometers away from Visakhapatnam. According to the Met Department, it's expected to make a landfall between Visakhapatnam and Srikakulam in a few hours from now. It is in fact stormy in Vizag this morning. It's raining heavily. Trees have been uprooted and power cuts reported. Over 1 lakh people have been evacuated from Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra government has set up around 370 relief camps. In Odisha, more than 3 lakh people are being evacuated from 8 districts. 700 Didai tribals have also been evacuated from Malkangiri. The government has set up around 340 cyclone shelters. 44 NDRF teams, the Army and Navy are on standby. All trains and flights between Bhubaneswar and Visakhapatnam have been cancelled. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level meeting on Saturday to review preparedness.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इसका एक रिव्यू अभी शाम को मीटिंग ली है, एक डिटेल्ड मीटिंग ली है और इस पर उन्होंने बल दिया कि स्टेट्स को जो प्रभावित होने वाले स्टेट्स हैं आंध्र प्रदेश और उड़ीसा, इनको हर संभव सहायता दी जाए.
Let's get in our reporters tracking the big story now. Sakshi Khanna is at Bhimli in Vizag where the landfall is expected, and Jajati Karan with us live from Gopalpur in Odisha. Sakshi, I'm going to come to you first. The Met Department is saying that Cyclone Hudhud is just 100 kilometers away from where you are. Is the cyclone expected early than noon now?
See, what the Met Department is saying that the cyclone will hit around noon time only. Since yesterday they were saying around 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. the cyclone will probably hit. But right now I'll just show you around what the Met is saying, that the cyclone can hit north of Vizag, and this is the area where we are. Bhimli Mandal lies north of Vizag. You can see the effect of the cyclone, which can be seen. Strong wind conditions are there, and in the sea also rough wave conditions are there. So currently heavy rainfall can be seen in entire Visakhapatnam, in and around area where the landfall will be there. Met Department says that around 50 kilometers of area around Visakhapatnam will be badly affected. Also in Visakhapatnam, when it was raining all through the night, many trees were uprooted. The power cuts have been made in and around the entire area. Trains and flights have been cancelled. In the morning, when we visited Bhimli, this is a report which we are just going to show you, and just see the kind of cyclonic storm which can be seen in and around Visakhapatnam. Hudhud has turned into a very severe cyclone right now, and it is 100 kilometers away from Visakhapatnam. We can see areas in and around Visakhapatnam, heavy rainfall and storm activity is taking place. Also in the sea, we can see strong waves. The sea has become very rough. Also the low-lying areas have been inundated. People have been alerted before, and forceful evacuation is also taking place in many areas which are prone to this cyclone. The Met Department predicts that cyclone Hudhud will hit Visakhapatnam coastline anytime by noon. That is around 12 o'clock or just before that. It is expected that Hudhud will hit North Visakhapatnam. Right now we are also in Bhimli Mandal, which is on the north of Visakhapatnam, and it is expected that the landfall of the cyclone will be here, and this area will be most affected. What IMD is also saying is that Visakhapatnam, in and around 50 kilometers of area north and south, will be very badly affected, but the effect will also be seen in all the major 4 districts which are in the coastal areas, that be Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, East Godavari and also South Odisha, will be badly affected with this cyclone. So 100 kilometers away is the cyclone right now, and it's moving at a very fast pace of 15 kilometers per hour and is expected to reach by noon.
Let's go across to our reporter Jajati Karan, who is in Odisha. Jajati, large-scale evacuation underway in Odisha. If you could give us a sense of how many people are really still now in the path of this cyclone.
Well, I am at Gopalpur beach, and as you can see, the wind speed has become very high. It's a very strong wind that is flowing now much higher than it was yesterday. As you can see behind me, the impact of this wind on the trees, and the wind speed at Gopalpur at present is around 50 kilometers per hour, and this might go as high as 90 kilometers per hour in a few hours from now. You can see how choppy the sea has become. It is much rough than it was yesterday. We are told that the cyclone Hudhud is 150 odd kilometers away from here, and the bad news is that the eye of the storm has become stationary, and that is why it is moving very slow. And the bad news is because when the eye of the storm becomes stationary, the impact is more. And as it was expected that the cyclone will be hitting at afternoon at Visakhapatnam, it might be a bit late, as late as evening. And as far as evacuation is concerned, 42,000 people have been evacuated till yesterday, and evacuation is also going today. Around 70,000 people will be evacuated. But there are many people who are not willing to leave their house and go to the cyclone shelters. I went to one of the village near Gopalpur where a similar situation was there. I am at Gopalpur and at a slum in Gopalpur, which is hardly 2 kilometers away from the beach. It's been raining since morning, and as you can see, many of the people have left this slum and have moved to safer places. But there are quite a many people who have not yet left their houses, and they are saying that they will only leave their house when the wind speed goes very high. The wind speed is expected to be 80 kilometers per hour here, and it might be too late by then when they decide to leave their house. Remember, the Special Relief Commissioner, the Odisha government, has told that 350,000 people will be evacuated before cyclone makes landfall. Apart from the cyclone, what is also a big threat is that of flood. As you see, it's raining heavily, and this would continue for another 3 to 4 days. This might cause a big flood in Odisha. So the Odisha government is preparing not just for the cyclone but also for a massive flood. In Gopalpur, with video journalist Nilkant Acharya, Jajati Karan.